Hello and welcome to Feature Friday with the Right Choice Group, Keller Williams. I am Barbie Johnson, and today we are featuring Inspired Fire Glass Studio and Gallery, located here in Shadeland. You can find very special gifts here at Inspired Fire, items from jewelry to handmade glass ornaments. Inspired Fire offers classes to make your very own glass ornament, statue, or even jewelry. You can visit their website or call to schedule your individual class today. We want to thank Inspired Fire Glass not only for their business, but also their participation in helping us collect donations for the Cover Lafayette project. We have already had a couple loads from this location, and we are so grateful. So while you're out shopping this season, stop by and schedule a class for date night or pick up a gift for your family. Located here in Shadeland on State Road 25, and support your local business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video, brought to you by the Right Choice Group, Keller Williams.